Hi, I'm Renee. Welcome to my RV kitchen. Today we're going to make country pork ribs. We're going to start it off in the pressure cooker for 40 minutes, and then I'm going to finish them off in the air fryer with some barbecue sauce so they get caramelized and delicious. Follow along and I'll show you how I do it. All right. They're a little frozen, but that's okay. The pressure cooker will thaw them out. So I'm just going to sprinkle them. This is garlic powder. You can measure it in a bowl if you choose. Do about a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder. Do about a half a teaspoon of cumin. Do about a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And that's just going to give it that smoky flavor. And for a little heat, I'm going to add some chipotle chili pepper. Just a little, just a little dusting. Quarter teaspoon. I'm going to add 1 cup of water. I'm going to add the steamer basket. I'm going to put in the ribs. All right, and then it's going to go in the pressure cooker for 40 minutes. 40 minutes and hit start. Okay, and while the ribs are cooking, I'm going to prepare some potatoes and some carrots. And in the basket for the pressure cooker, I'm just going to spray it a little bit with the olive oil. These potatoes seem to stick. And I'll give these ones with the weird marks, I'll give to the girls, the chickens. All right, and then when the pressure cooker opens up, when I put those ribs out in the air fryer to caramelize that barbecue sauce, I'll put these in the pressure cooker because they take 4 minutes to cook once they're under pressure. And that's it. Supper's almost ready. All right, just trying to get this pan to drop here. Once it drops, we'll take out the pork ribs. So I let it go for 40 minutes. I did not let it relax for 10. I let the pressure off right away. 10 just dropped. All right, remember we put it in the steamer basket so we can lift that right out of the broth there. Put it right onto a plate. We are limited on space, so I put the air fryer pan on top of the pressure cooker. All right, now we're going to get some BBQ sauce on those. These are going to go in the air fryer, 390 degrees for about 5 minutes. And it's just going to caramelize that barbecue sauce in there. You know it's going to fall off the bone when the bones has done fell off. Going into the air fryer, 5 minutes on 390. We are going to save that pork broth. I'm going to be making soup this week, so we can use this as a stock. Right, so now we're going to cook our vegetables. So 1 cup water, steamer basket full of vegetables. I am not washing it before I start this vegetable batch because all that pork that just cooked in there will be flavor for the vegetables. 4 minutes, start. All right, and now I'm going to go get the pork ribs in the air fryer. All right, here's that pork stock. And it gave us 2 cups. All right, here's the ribs out of the air fryer. Doesn't that look delicious? All right, the veggies and potatoes just got done. Time for the taste test.
Well, I need to find a meaty section. It's tender as it can be. That's very tender. And delicious.
All right, thanks for watching. God bless. Till next one. Thank you for watching. Until the next one.